Oh, and another thing, the flush. It is powerful, but it's also quiet too. And everything is gone in seconds without any extra streaks, if you know what I mean. It has a light flush option for smaller jobs, or a full flush when you need it after those Taco Bell runs.
So one of the big criticisms about electric toilets is that when there's no power, how do you flush, right? It's unplugged from the wall, there's no lights here. And so one of the solutions that they came up with is have a manual release right here. So we'll pop our lid off, and then from here, we can flush our toilet. We lift up for 5 seconds, and then push down. And that will then flush the toilet.
Let's be for real for a little bit. You guys know that even when it's a sponsored video, I have to say some things that I feel, and maybe the brand may not like it as much, but I'm being honest here. So first, the toilet is modern, like very modern. And if your bathroom has older fixtures, traditional tile, a more classic look, this thing is going to stick out. Like, it's not going to fit in that bathroom. It's really a showroom piece that fits in the bathroom. It's like a piece of tech that's sitting there, right? So make sure you have a good looking bathroom that it fits in. Secondly, installation. I'm not a handy person at all, so I hired my boy David to install it. And this is not like let me watch a video and figure it out on a Sunday afternoon situation. Now, if you are that type of person, I am happy for you, but I am not that guy. So do factor that into your total budget. I mean, it was installed like a standard toilet. So if you can install a toilet, you can install this. It's not much different. So here's where I land on the HOROW X70 after using it for about 2 months. When I first heard the term smart toilet, I laughed. Like, I didn't even look at the email. Like it was pitched to me and I'm like, what are we doing here? A part of me still finds this concept a little funny because it's a funny thing, like a smart toilet. But after using it, the heated seat, the bidet, the dryer, the self-cleaning system, the auto lid, the nightlight, all in one clean, seamless package, like, yo, I don't know, man. I'm a believer. I really get it. I get it, you know? This is just a better bathroom experience overall. If you live somewhere cold, the heated seat alone, like, makes it worth it. But if you're ready to upgrade your bathroom the same way you upgrade your tech, the X70 definitely delivers in that space. When it comes to having the hygiene and then having the bidet built into it, I mean, that I've used, there's nothing better.